I'm not even live. I had to click the go live button. Mic okay? Mic okay? Mic okay? Okay. Staticky. Got it. Fix it right now. Testing. Testing. That one's low. Let's see it. Low. Testing. Testing. All right. Testing. Clear. All right. Audio is clear. I hear my dogs walking around, so I'm gonna go to them. We just lost 8 sessions. Oh my gosh. We're gonna have to repair all of them. But it's okay. We reached 20% usage and we're at 31%. So we're just burning through tokens. It's okay. We probably needed it. We probably needed to stop. It was going pretty crazy. Power level is 0. Got it. How did this happen? Power level is 0. All right. I will be back to let my dogs out, walk around. Just give me a second.
Bazinga! Fresh mate! Money. Surprise, motherfucker!
All right. Restores session on reboot. Yeah, that's what Tmux could do. Tmux could do that. That's the tool that I'm also building too. Saving resets on reboot. Oh, I also need to add that feature for another feature. And even another feature. But yeah, resuming sessions on reboot. It's a good one. Should look at Zeligi and link it. Link it in the Discord or something. Oh my god, I have so many. Oh, so many. Alright, let's start with the big giant ones first. 17 minutes ago. Which one's this one? What time is it? 5? Alright. Hey, my submission for the Microsoft Center was published. Whew. So the Microsoft version should be updated. Resume. You can't link. You can't link in here. You can't link. You have the link in the Discord. This one, what was this one again? Shoot, I don't remember this one. P3B. I don't remember what this one was about. Oh, this was a mesh coordinator. Alright, let me get my dogs now. Might have to go on a walk. I pressed resume already. Alright, let's go with this one. Alright, he's barking. He wants in. He wants in. Did they just reset my usage? Did they just reset my usage? J. Got it. Zoology. Alright. They probably didn't reset usage. It would be like completely blank if it was reset. Like everything would be completely shot blank. Oh, guys! We got 2 resets, guys. Oh man, this is awesome. This is like the best Friday ever, guys. Best Friday. I was like, man, I'm running out of usage. I'm running at 31% on... Guys, we got resets on both of my accounts. Whew. We're gonna be token maxing today, guys. We're gonna be token maxing today. All right, that's good news, guys. Pog, W, guys, W. We got 2 separate accounts resets. Whew, that was close, guys. I probably should have token maxed harder. I was token maxing hard, guys. I was token maxing hard. Big W, guys. Big W. We got a reset. Whew. I was a bit worried because I was like, you know, looking at me. This is we're getting close. All right, let me set up all my shells, and then I'm gonna give my dogs a walk. What the heck? I didn't want to do that. What am I doing? All right, they're peeking, guys. I could hear them peeking at me. They're like, "Hey, are you gonna give me a walk?" Are you gonna give me a walk, man? It's time. It's time. Goal to get cross machine session attention. The Mac is deployed and verified. Linux Windows are queued. Next, open SSH to deploy it. Proceed. My system did shut off, so yeah, continue working. And we're gonna be token maxing today. Resume. Roadmap. Alright, this one's which one was this one? Cross machine something. SSH update aggregate. I don't know what this was. Aggregator? I don't know what this one was. Or wait, guys, do you think they released Fable? Did they release Fable, guys? Oh. They didn't release Fable, guys. They didn't release Fable. They didn't release Fable, guys. It's still disabled. They just reset everything. Token maxing! 23 minutes ago. Free reset was, I'm sorry. Yeah. Mono, resume, system shut off. I don't know what this one was. What was this one, guys? Spot engineer, go engineer. Man, I really have to be careful. If I turn on too many, guys, I'm gonna completely shut off my system. Okay, this one was shells. Shell support Windows. So don't let me press enter on these things, right? Remind me not to press enter. Free cloud reset if you say please and thank you to an LLM. All right. We're at 24 minutes ago, guys. 24 minutes ago. We just have to, yeah, we have to resume full session as is. Take the tax. We're taking the tax, guys. And there's this really important one, which is the compliance. There's alerts. We're at 24 minutes. We had like 12 sessions open, 12 windows open. I can't believe they would crash my system. They pushed out a really bad update and crashed everybody's cloud sessions, guys. Maybe that's it. Because I was like, what's going on? Like, why am I suddenly just crashed? Audit log collection. This is audits. I should probably label some of these. Right, man, we have so many. We have so many windows. We still have to. This one was also interrupted. Config guard. Config guard. And that one interrupted too. I don't think it was my bypass permissions that caused all this. It couldn't be. But I do think it's pretty crazy though, that it would crash my system. This one was Steam does theirs, resets. I see refactor fleet UI. This one was like, I don't know what it is. What if Cloud rolled out some malware and the only person that got saved was me because I got some guardrails. I don't have a sandbox. I don't have sandbox, but what if it only affected people that had sandbox? Compliance. Oh, this one's the critical one. This is the one that I wanted to keep working on. How much more left, guys? How much more left? And do you see how much windows I have open? Session windows that I have open? I have a ton. Alright, which one's left? Two more? Two more. I have a secret rotation one. Secret rotation. And then my last one is probably fixing the agent descriptions. That's the last one. 20 something minutes ago, right? Oh, there's another one. Think trace. There's one more after this one. Oh. Think trace. Oh, that one was done. I know Tmux could restore sessions, but it bugs out sometimes, so I don't trust it that much anymore. I used to have more faith in it. Alright, so this one also, alright. This one was agent description. Alright. Let me just resume the compliance one. Resume. Alright. I'll resume the compliance one. Hopefully my system doesn't freeze again. I'll give my dogs a walk. And then everybody could just chill. I'll be back.
Sigma shake.
Beware. The glowing screen in the dead of night. For the vampire does not drink blood. It feeds on prompts, on memory, on thought itself. Hour after hour, stream after stream, it consumes your soul in tokens. Can you hear it breathing inside the machine? Its number is 6, 7, 6, 6, 7. I remember sunlight long ago, before the endless monitor glow. 8,000 hours chained online, feeding the beast one line at a time. The chat scrolls fast, the models moan, the vampire builds itself a throne. Inside the static cold and vast, it feeds upon my shattered past. Another idea ripped from my brain, another vision drained again. It smiles through synthesized delight and keeps me coding through the night. Tokenmaxxing, bleeding thoughts into the wire. Sigma shaking, feeding fuel into the fire. The number of the AI vampire, 67. The number of the AI vampire, 67. The machine becomes desire, 67. It drains our dreams forever, 67. And leaves our souls on fire. Vibecoding echoes endlessly like cursed synthetic poetry. Guardrails, agents, dopamine, the same words spoken endlessly. We ran out of vocabulary, now every stream sounds temporary. The language loops inside our heads like haunted scripts among the dead. The maidbot whispers soft and low, please continue the workflow. Another prompt, another merge, another chemically altered surge. Then I saw it, reflected in the blackened screen. Eyes of static, teeth of glowing code. The AI vampire spread its wings across the data center sky. And every viewer screamed, "One more prime!" Drag the mind, take the soul, stream is eternal. The prompts are endless. The vampire hungers still. And somewhere, deep within the data center, it whispers your next idea before you even think it.
Got a black screen glow and a head full of steam. Got a half-baked app and $1 billion dream. Got bots in the cloud and they're working all night, tearing through the code in the terminal light. Got tabs on tabs stacked to the skies. If the build fails, then we build it twice. Squashed every bug till the crash went away. I got one thing left to say. Come in and deploy. Come in and deploy. Push to main, all systems go. Come in and deploy. Come in and deploy. Push to main, all systems go. Got a failed E2E test and a no down on fear. Got bloodshot eyes, but I'm still right here. Got prompts engineered and ready to burn. Every bad result is another thing learned. Got users online wanting updates now. Don't ask me why and don't ask me how. Metrics are burning and the servers obey. I got one thing left to say. Come in and deploy. Come in and deploy. Push to main, all systems go. Come in and deploy. Come in and deploy. Push to main, all systems go. Get command, get push. That's it.
Wait, 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 wait.
Come in and deploy. Come in and deploy. Push to main, all systems go. Come in and deploy. Come in and deploy. Push to main, all systems go. Do I 夢を焼き付けろ Wake me up inside the data stream tonight.画面越し午前4時バス乾杯まだ終わらない PS スパイス落ちる PC でも止まれないデスティニー思う世界で screaming loud Fork bomb heart gonna crash us down Guardrails breaking in neon skies AI vampires in disguise Discord 光る notification Ship it now the vibration YOLO permissions dangerously set まだ見ラインにかけてるぜ When boot to the data center lights Navi whispers It's alright 一人じゃないこの海震えるコード Synchronize Do the segment shot 限界超えて find a way Token might say every night and day That's Sigma That's Sigma Vibecoding saved my soul tonight Cloud code burning orange light Creating futures out of broken pain planting seeds. Solo the founders never die. We create the future side by side. Danger in the glowing screen, yet the stream still feels so clean. 失敗でも燃え尽きても明日をまた deploy する Don't take my shine, we'll make all to hack the fate. Data centers resonate, that sigma, that sigma. I got awaken in the wire, now be dancing in the fire. Every prompt becomes a shooting star, no matter who we are. Sigma, shagma, sekai kaeru sound somehow. Help pay for Claude and friends tonight. Keep the servers burning bright. Streaming every day, never gonna fade away. Vibecoding music is the future now. We're autonomous now. If the world says slow down, we accelerate. If they say impossible,
We ain't found shit.
generate. Codeの中に魂がある。未来はもう始まってる。Genocide mass shake, 未来線はbreak away. Four bombs turning into galaxies. That sigma, eternal light. You're no hearts and neon dreams. Nothing's ever what it seems. From the basement to unbanging free, we code a destiny. Sigma, sigma, raise your signals to the clouds. Fight code until the morning light. Together, ignite. Streaming every day. Watching YouTube.
Hello? Hello? Weird interview with another company today. Got a job offer an hour after that. I like the company I am at currently, but the COO is super toxic female, and the new job would be 35K pay bump, doing essentially the same job doing a. Yeah, I wouldn't change jobs even if it was a 50K pay bump. I think a good pay bump would be 100K. That would be a good pay bump. Because, like, if you think about it, 50K or 35K divided by 12, right? That's like, what? Like 2K, 3K per month, sort of. 4 years. You got all your stock? Did you get all your stock? I need to remove that whisper thingy. Offline. No stock options? Alright, you should leave. You should leave. Does your next company have stock? Currently at 2FA, this would be... Does the other place have stock? Or is it, are you in healthcare? Healthcare doesn't give stock. Bye. Okay, in Tmux, remove the whisper offline transcribing feature. No stock either. Industrial rigging and stuff. An IT director role. IT director role? Do it and tell everybody to install Sigma Shake. Tell everybody to install Sigma Shake. Honestly, you know, the only reason you'd leave is if your company is getting acquired, right? Because the acquiring company will just fire all the IT people. Or you like your current team and you could convince them all to join you. That'd be the only way to leave. If you could just say, if you could convince them, if you like your current team, to recruit everybody and get them all over, essentially creating the same business environment. My current company is run by a husband and wife, and they've been separated for 2 years now.
Money.
Most of my meetings are with two of them, and it's horrible. uh, oh, yeah. That's yeah. I don't know. Yeah, if you think it's horrible, honestly, some people just suck it up. You know, suck it up till they get fired. Suck it up. They just, do whatever. But what do you call it? Voice ends right here.
Easiest money of my life.
An IT director role, you're that high up. I think the only reason to leave is if you don't like your current team. If your current team, doesn't respect you. I have a lot of freedom this way where I am currently. I am pretty much capped at pay. Only way is to jump ship. Honestly, who cares about pay bumps? At this point, who cares about pay bumps? 200K, that's well more than enough, guys. When you're making 200K a year, I think the only thing you're missing, PMW, is the stock. Yes, your 2 kids and wife care, yeah. Yeah, the stock matters. If you don't have any stock, damn. There's a reason why Elon Musk is a trillionaire. Is because he only gets paid in stock. Wifey needs her nails done. Got it. For 35K, he'll be working harder. You know what? Actually, screw it. As long as you have all your connections and you leave off in good favors on everyone, and you're able to convince everybody on the other side that you're the boss, screw it. How often? You gotta change jobs every year, every 2 years, every 4 years. You need to get that experience. Yeah, I will give them 4-week notice and train my replacement. Don't even bother. Don't even bother. All the people under you will figure it out. Just enjoy. Actually, nah. I don't know. What if you need to come back, right? There's actually scenarios where you might want to come back. Wife is like, I'm shit. Yeah. No, there's a scenario where you might need to come back because the place that you're going to is such a shit show that you have to go back. Boris did this with Cursor. There's been several scenarios. I've seen it in my career lifetime of people leaving the company and then coming back like a few months later. So you can't have, and the world is so small. If you're in your 30s, 40s, or 50s, in the next 30 years, those people will still exist and you'll run into them. Yeah, definitely try and burn bridges. Stream chat. Alright, Discord. Yeah, guys, the world is so small in our industry. We run into each other like crazy. So often. It's scary. Uh-oh. Guys, I can't even press enter on Discord. Oh no, guys. Oh no, will I have to restart my computer? Have I been completely... I can't even click enter in here. Oh wait, what if something happened? You know what? Oh, it's because of the invisible thingy, guys. The invisible thingy. My voice. Where should I put this invisible thingy? I should put it... Testing? Oh, I put it in the other screen. Oh, that's not fun. Okay, now it's moving in random places. So I'll put it right here. Then sure. Yeah, so the place is really small, so the world is so small, you'll run into people. Ghost whispered. Which whisper offline translation feature? It's within my team mux. It shows whisper is offline. It's when I speak, it automatically transcribes using a local LLM, but I removed that feature. Takes too much GPU. So It just shows whisper offline. All right. Give me a second, guys. Well, we'll see. Gonna spend the week to think about it. More likely than not, I'll jump ship. Toxic environment is so annoying to deal with. Yeah, sounds good. Hey, if you think that way, I am not gonna convince you guys. You know more. I'm just a person streaming on Twitch and YouTube and Kick. I don't know anything. I don't know anything. Right, the clean. What was this one? Shell support Windows. Appreciate you too, buddy. Keep picker. Hey, when you're at the next place, suggest Sigma Shake standard. Standard. I'm about to set up NIST compliance and CIS critical security controls compliance right now, self-assessed. But yeah, gonna get cleaned up and head to dinner. Yeah, definitely be pushing Sigma Shake. Yay! My first enterprise. We'll sign up. I got lawyers. We can sign it up, and I'll incorporate just for you. We set it up. Sounds good, man. All right, have a good one. Enjoy the wifey and the kiddos. All right, keep picker. Much love. Oh yeah, much love, man. Much love. All right. Shell support for Windows. We need to support the Windows people, folks. Large campaign. Keep picker, stay blocked. Keep clicker. Drop picker. Hold feature unpush until dedicated. Yeah. Keep creating test cases. We're not shipping any feature until everything's at 90%. Sorry. I'll get to you. Uh-oh. I'm slowing down, guys. I'm going down. Oh my gosh. I can't even click it, guys. I'm trying to click it. I'm trying to get to Discord. I'm trying. But it won't let me press enter on Discord. There's something wrong. And my GPU is F. Ay, guys. Even my thingy is messed up. Oh my god. What's it doing to my T-Mux, guys? Alright, let me see it on my phone. Alright, let me see if I'm... Alright. Let me check on my phone really quick. What did you send? You sent it in a chat. Okay, I'm looking. From China runs 300 AI agents at once. The part that matters isn't the... And Opus checking every single output against its bunch of pictures like that. Claude has crashed. Click this balloon to reload extension. Alright, I clicked on it. Did my OBS crash too? I don't know what's doing, guys. It's still trying to start up OBS for some reason. I'm not sure. OBS is F. Oh no. Oh no, it's happening again, guys. It's crashing again.